I love using Kum Kee sauces in my cooking. They deliver on maximum flavour with minimum effort. In this series, I want to show you exactly when and how to use them to create exciting flavours in easy everyday dishes. This video is all about spice. I'm going to teach you 3 easy ways to use Chiu Chow Chilli Oil. Chiu Chow Chilli Oil is a classic hot oil that hails from the Taozhou region in China. It's a balanced blend of oil, salted chilies, and garlic. All this fuses together to create beautifully complex spice notes that pack a serious punch. It makes a great dressing for wontons. I like to make the filling from scratch with some good quality pork mince, premium light soy sauce and ground pepper, then pack it into some ready-made wonton skins. Poach in boiling water until they float to the surface. Then serve with generous drizzles of Chiu Chow Chilli Oil for the perfect spicy kick. Another super easy way to use it is to just drizzle it over spaghetti meatballs. Such a simple way to add complex spice notes to the dish. The oil also works great as a dip, perfect for some homemade meatballs. Simply mix Chiu Chow Chilli Oil with some mayonnaise for a rich, creamy, spicy dip. And lastly, you can use the oil for marinating. I love to mix it with ginger and premium light soy sauce to make a delicious marinade for prawn skewers. Brush it on generously, then cook on a griddle pan. The skewers go great with a fresh salad. In a jar, combine some oil, premium light soy sauce, and seasoned rice vinegar. Then pour over chopped lettuce, red onion, and Chinese leaf. A really healthy dish that's full of flavour. So there it is, some of my favourite ways to add heat into dishes. Let me know in the comments below how you like to use Chiu Chow Chilli Oil in your cooking, and make sure you check out the rest of the sauce masterclass for some great recipe ideas.